Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. We'd like to start the show with a shout out to Big Bang Theory and Fun with Flags.
Yes. That's kind of where our idea came from, if we're being honest,
Yeah.
for these videos.
And we have over 200 subscribers, including one from Ecuador. So we hope you're watching. We hope we can meet you sometime.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of cool. All right.
That'd be cool.
So what are we learning about today?
We got a few Google tips and tricks and updates and things to show you.
Perfect. So this is a lot on engagement in the UDL framework and executive function, a lot with calendar and just organization pieces. So
absolutely.
Let's start with calendar.
So this is what your calendar looks like, but as you can see, it's going to upgrade soon. Change is scary, but this change is for the best. So I'm going to upgrade now. And this is the clean new look that you get.
No,
so something that I like about this change is when you go to schedule an event, you can change the time right there on that first tile. You used to not be able to do that unless you typed it in, and sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't.
That's easy.
And then if you go to more options, you have the same option to invite guests as you did before, but
like
you can
parents,
students, co-teachers, whoever. And you can add a description to it, but you can also add files from your Google Drive. You can also upload into it. You can add links, all kinds of stuff, which is really nice for planning for your meetings or whatever that you have scheduled.
All right. That's not so scary.
No.
All right. Now, what is scary is my Google Drive. It is in there. So there's
scary.
A lot in there. And I could change views here, and it really doesn't help. No. And I have a lot of folders.
Makes it worse.
I do really well with folders. Yeah. So Google has pushed out, and we're going to push it out to our district in January, something called File Stream. So when you're on network, you could actually go into your PC and see all of your network drives, and there's a new one.
G Drive.
G Drive. So once you're in there, you have your team drive and your drive, and it is more like a Windows organizational tool. Yeah. So you could go into folders. You could go into documents here. So there's PDFs. If you do open a PDF, it's just going to kind of download it to your computer, at least bring it up on that application. If you go into a Google Doc of some sort, then it will pull it up on the web-based application. So it's just another way to look at it. There's also a shortcut for it down here that will show all of your downloads and have it there. And it'll be pushed out. So you may see a pop-up where you have to log into it, but that's what it is.
Awesome. Speaking of pop-ups, so we showed you how to force a copy of a document. That's where you go up here, remove, edit, and you put copy in, and people are forced to make a copy of it.
That's easy.
Sometimes that's frustrating for me, though, because I may or may not want to use it.
Yeah.
And then I have this in my docs that I have to go and find and delete it. So now you are able to do template preview, and then the person can preview it before they choose to use the template in the top right corner. And then if they want it, then it makes a copy of it for them. Yeah, so this would be cool if you had some different options for your students. They wanted to look at them before they chose which one they wanted to use.
Options. We like options. Are there other templates?
Yeah, there are, and I think you're going to show us how to get to them.
So if I'm on Google and go to, let's say, Google Docs, I don't know if this is the easiest way to get there.
Docs.google.com.
Yes, or that. So I'm going to Docs. Up above here in this bar that I never pay attention to, I always just hit this plus. There is a template gallery.
Tons of options.
Look at essays, reports, letters, resumes. So lots of things that Microsoft Office has is available here. Brochures even. That's fantastic.
Very cool.
So these are template galleries that are available for sheets, docs, slides, the works. And with that new template preview, it's going to allow you to do that as well.
Absolutely. You got anything else?
No. Enjoy your weekend.
Have a great Friday.